Welcome to the AI Prosperity Hub, your go-to destination for all things AI, technology, and business innovation. Let's dive into today's exciting topic and discover how AI can transform your entrepreneurial journey. I don't think people understand just how transformative artificial intelligence or AI can be. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of today and the key to unlocking a future filled with endless possibilities. This is your invitation to join the AI revolution, to harness its power, and to shape the world of tomorrow. Whether you're an experienced entrepreneur or just starting out, AI offers an unparalleled opportunity to build innovative businesses, solve complex problems, and leave your mark on the world. This isn't about replacing human ingenuity, it's about amplifying and enhancing it. AI gives us the tools to analyze massive amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions with incredible accuracy. This translates to smarter products, more efficient processes, and unprecedented insights into customer behavior. In short, AI empowers us to do more, achieve more, and dream bigger than ever before. The beauty of AI lies in its accessibility. You don't need to be a tech giant or have a team of data scientists to leverage its power. Today, there are countless resources, platforms, and tools available to help anyone, regardless of their technical expertise, build and integrate AI into their business ventures. This guide will serve as your roadmap, providing you with the knowledge, strategies, and inspiration to embark on your own AI entrepreneurial journey. This is the era of AI, and the possibilities are limitless. Are you ready to seize the opportunity and make a difference? Stay tuned as we explore how everyday life can inspire business breakthroughs. I bet you didn't know that your everyday experiences can lead to groundbreaking business ideas with AI. AI is no longer a futuristic concept confined to research labs and science fiction movies. It has evolved into a powerful tool that is reshaping our world in ways we could have never imagined just a few years ago. It has seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, often without us even realizing it. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, AI is there, making our lives easier and more efficient. From the personalized recommendations you see on your favorite streaming platform to the voice assistants that answer your questions with remarkable accuracy, AI is quietly transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. It's in the smart devices that control our home environments, the apps that help us navigate traffic, and even in the algorithms that filter our social media feeds. This pervasive influence of AI is even more pronounced in the business world. Companies are not just adopting AI, they are integrating it into the very fabric of their operations. Companies across all industries are harnessing the power of AI to gain a competitive edge, streamline operations, and deliver exceptional customer experiences. Whether it's through predictive analytics, customer service chatbots, or automated supply chain management, AI is revolutionizing the way businesses operate. In healthcare, AI is assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases earlier and tailoring treatments to individual patients. It's being used in medical imaging to detect anomalies that might be missed by the human eye, and in predictive models to foresee potential health issues before they become critical. In finance, it's being used to detect fraudulent transactions and provide personalized financial advice. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, identifying patterns and anomalies that would be impossible for humans to detect on their own. The transportation industry is leveraging AI for autonomous vehicles and optimized logistics, making transportation safer, more efficient, and more reliable. AI is helping to manage traffic flow, reduce fuel consumption, and even predict maintenance needs for vehicles. Meanwhile, the entertainment industry is using it to create immersive, personalized content. AI is being used in everything from script writing to special effects, creating experiences that are more engaging and tailored to individual preferences. The examples are endless, and they paint a clear picture. AI is not just a passing trend, it's a fundamental shift in how we approach problem solving and innovation. It's a tool that, when used correctly, can unlock new levels of efficiency and creativity. By understanding how AI is already being used across various sectors, we can begin to envision its potential applications in our own business ideas. The possibilities are limited only by our imagination and our willingness to embrace change. The key is to identify areas where AI can automate tasks, analyze data, and provide insights that would be difficult or impossible for humans to achieve alone. This means looking at your business processes and asking where AI can add the most value. This is not to say that implementing AI is without its challenges. It requires careful planning, a deep understanding of your target audience, and a commitment to continuous learning and adaptation. There are technical hurdles to overcome, as well as ethical considerations to address. Businesses must be prepared to invest in the necessary infrastructure and training to fully leverage AI's capabilities. However, the potential rewards far outweigh the risks. Companies that successfully integrate AI into their operations can expect to see significant improvements in efficiency, customer satisfaction, and overall competitiveness. By embracing AI, you're not just adopting a new technology, you're stepping into the future of business and unlocking a world of possibilities. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Are you ready to take the leap? Before we dive into the specifics of building an AI-powered business, it's important to establish a basic understanding of what AI actually is. This foundational knowledge will serve as the bedrock upon which we can build more complex ideas and applications. At its core, artificial intelligence refers to the ability of computer systems to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. These systems can analyze data, recognize patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. While this may sound complex, the underlying principles are surprisingly intuitive. Just like humans, AI systems learn from experience and improve over time. Imagine teaching a child to ride a bike. Initially, you provide support and guidance, correcting their mistakes and helping them maintain balance. This process involves a lot of trial and error, but with each attempt, the child gets better. As they practice, they learn from their experiences, gradually improving their coordination and balance until they can ride independently. This is similar to how AI systems learn from data and improve their performance over time. Similarly, AI systems learn from data. By feeding them massive amounts of information, we enable them to identify patterns, make predictions, and improve their performance over time. The more data they process, the more accurate and efficient they become. There are different types of AI, each with its own strengths and applications. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for leveraging the right type of AI for your specific needs. Machine learning, a prominent subset of AI, involves training algorithms to learn from data without explicit programming. This means that the system can adapt and improve as it processes more information. This means that instead of telling the machine exactly what to do, we provide it with data and allow it to learn the rules and patterns on its own. This approach makes machine learning incredibly versatile and powerful. Deep learning, a more advanced form of machine learning, uses artificial neural networks inspired by the human brain to analyze vast amounts of unstructured data, such as images, audio, and text. These networks can uncover intricate patterns and insights that would be impossible for traditional algorithms to detect. Understanding these basic concepts is crucial for identifying opportunities to leverage AI in your business. With a solid grasp of AI fundamentals, you can start to see how these technologies can be applied to solve real-world problems. You don't need to be a data scientist to build an AI-powered business. You just need to understand the fundamental principles and how they can be applied to solve problems and create value in your chosen industry. This knowledge will empower you to make informed decisions and collaborate effectively with AI experts. Now that you know the basics, let's identify business opportunities with AI. In the next section, we'll explore how AI is transforming various industries and discuss strategies for identifying business opportunities where AI can be a game changer. By understanding the impact of AI across different sectors, you'll be better equipped to harness its potential in your own business ventures. If you're a business owner, then you need to learn how to spot business opportunities using AI technology. Think about your industry, whether it's e-commerce, consulting, or content creation, and how AI can simplify tasks. Look for opportunities to automate repetitive tasks like customer service, marketing automation, or data analysis. These are prime areas where AI can make a difference. For instance, in e-commerce, AI can enhance customer experiences through personalized recommendations and automated customer service chatbots. Imagine a customer interacting with a chatbot that understands their preferences and provides tailored product suggestions, leading to higher satisfaction and increased sales. In consulting, AI can analyze vast amounts of data to provide actionable insights. Consider a scenario where an AI system combs through market trends, customer feedback, and financial data to generate comprehensive reports, allowing consultants to make data-driven recommendations to their clients. For content creators, AI can streamline the content creation process by generating ideas, optimizing content for search engines, and even automating video editing. Envision a content creator receiving AI-generated suggestions for trending topics or having an AI tool that edits videos based on predefined criteria, saving time and enhancing productivity. By identifying these opportunities, you can leverage AI to not only improve efficiency, but also create new value propositions for your customers. The key is to start small, test different AI applications, and scale up as you see positive results. Next, we'll guide you through creating a step-by-step business plan with AI. Stay tuned to discover how AI can be a game changer in your industry. Remember, the potential of AI is vast, and by proactively seeking out opportunities, you can position your business at the forefront of innovation. Are you overwhelmed by the idea of integrating AI into your business plan? Follow our step-by-step guide to create a comprehensive business plan using AI. Now that we've identified business opportunities with AI, it's time to take the next crucial step, integrating AI into your business plan. This process can seem daunting, but breaking it down into manageable steps can make it much more approachable. First, start with thorough research. Look into available AI tools that can address your specific needs. For instance, chatbots can significantly enhance customer service by providing instant responses and handling common queries, freeing up your human agents for more complex issues. Similarly, machine learning algorithms can help you predict market trends and personalize offerings for your customers, boosting both engagement and sales. Once you've identified the right tools, the next step is to build AI into your business strategy. Begin by setting clear objectives for what you want to achieve with AI. These could be improving customer satisfaction, increasing operational efficiency, or gaining deeper insights into consumer behavior. Develop a roadmap that outlines how you'll implement these tools. Start small with pilot projects to test the effectiveness of the AI applications. For example, you could deploy a chatbot on a single customer service channel before rolling it out company-wide. Measure the results of these pilot projects meticulously. Collect data on key performance indicators such as response times, customer satisfaction scores, and sales metrics. Use this data to refine your AI applications and make necessary adjustments. As you see positive results, gradually scale up your AI initiatives, integrate more complex AI solutions, and expand their use across different departments. Ensure that your team is well-trained and comfortable using these new tools, as human-AI collaboration is key to maximizing the benefits. Remember, the goal is to create a scalable AI-driven strategy that evolves with your business. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate AI into your operations, driving innovation and staying competitive in today's fast-paced market. With your business plan ready, let's explore how to secure funding for your AI startup. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. I bet you didn't know the best strategies to secure funding for your AI startup. Now that we've discussed how to integrate AI into your business plan, let's move on to a crucial aspect of bringing your AI-driven ideas to life: securing funding for your AI startup. AI can seem like a big investment, but there are numerous resources available for entrepreneurs. Many investors are actively looking for businesses that leverage AI because of its potential to grow exponentially. First, consider angel investors. These individuals are often willing to invest in early-stage startups with promising ideas. They can provide not only financial support, but also valuable mentorship and industry connections. Next, look into venture capital firms that specialize in technology. These firms are well-versed in the tech landscape and are more likely to understand the unique needs and potential of AI startups. Research and reach out to firms that have a track record of investing in AI technologies. Don't overlook the possibility of AI-specific grants. Various organizations and government bodies offer grants to encourage the development of AI technologies. These grants can provide substantial funding without the need to give up equity in your company. When approaching potential investors, be prepared with a compelling pitch. Highlight the unique aspects of your AI solution, the problem it solves, and the market opportunity. Use data and case studies to demonstrate the viability and scalability of your business model. Pause to S. Lastly, networking is key. Attend AI and tech conferences, join online forums, and participate in startup incubators. Building relationships with other entrepreneurs and investors can open doors to funding opportunities you might not have considered. Securing funding is a critical step in turning your AI vision into reality. With the right approach and resources, you can find the financial backing needed to drive your AI startup forward. Finally, let's look at how to market and grow your AI business. In our next section, we'll explore effective marketing techniques and growth strategies tailored for AI startups, offering practical insights and inspiration for your own AI journey. I'm sure you've heard the news about AI transforming businesses. In our previous section, we discussed securing funding for your AI startup. Now let's dive into another crucial aspect: marketing and growing your AI business. Once your AI business is up and running, you'll need to focus on marketing. AI can help here too. Use AI-powered marketing tools to automate ad campaigns, gather customer insights, and create personalized experiences for your audience. This will help your business grow faster and more efficiently. AI-powered marketing tools can analyze vast amounts of data to identify trends and patterns that would be impossible for humans to spot. This allows you to target the right audience with the right message at the right time. For instance, AI can help you segment your audience based on their behavior, preferences, and demographics, ensuring that your marketing efforts are as effective as possible. Another powerful application of AI in marketing is chatbots. Chatbots can provide instant customer support, answer frequently asked questions, and even guide customers through the purchasing process. This not only enhances the customer experience, but also frees up your team to focus on more strategic tasks. Content creation is another area where AI can make a significant impact. AI tools can generate blog posts, social media updates, and even video scripts based on the keywords and topics you provide. This ensures a consistent flow of high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Additionally, AI can help you optimize your ad campaigns. Predictive analytics can forecast which ads will perform best, allowing you to allocate your budget more effectively. This data-driven approach ensures that you get the most out of your marketing spend. Finally, don't forget about the power of personalization. AI can analyze customer data to create personalized experiences that increase engagement and drive conversions. From personalized email campaigns to product recommendations, AI enables you to connect with your customers on a deeper level. In summary, AI is not just a tool for developing innovative products. It's also a powerful ally in your marketing efforts. By leveraging AI-powered marketing tools, you can automate processes, gain valuable insights, and create personalized experiences that will help your business grow faster and more efficiently. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the exciting world of AI in business. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now go innovate and make your AI business a success. Thank you for watching.